We are the Three Rangers in collaboration of Santa Claus and Robot from Tesla. Okay? As we all know, robot can do different tasks. We made this robot can be a symbol of Christmas. Christmas means give us love, hope, like robot, it gives us help to human beings to carry our function in variant fields. True robot has no emotion but action, speak, likes, give us love, hope, and joy. Next, reindeer from Pagadian.
Merry Christmas. The robot has 3 reindeers, and the role of this reindeer gives us resilience and perseverance, just like us, OFW. Even though our families are far away from us, still we maintain our psychological well-being in the face of adversity. And through our perseverance, we will give what our families deserve.
Okay. Reindeer from Bulacan. Ayun na, oy! Wala pala. Uy! Crossbreed.
Group number 3. May you have a blessed Christmas season, and may the gift of faith, the blessing of love, hope, and joy be yours and to your family. Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas!
Okay, we have some performance.
Alright. Yung task group ko, na kagabi pa init. Ngayon pala.
Okay. Okay. Power Rangers na.
Kaya naman lang pala yung pagsasal sa manipot. Yung doon pa. Kagami din.
Sir, mahina sir. Bolong. Okay.